Hello everyone. There was a drama at Zoleka Mandela's funeral. What was meant to be a dignified and peaceful day turned out to be full of drama as Zoleka Mandela was laid to rest. Zoleka was not buried alongside her grandmother Winnie Madikizela Mandela at the Four Ways Memorial Park on Friday, as initially reported, after Zenani Mandela obtained a court interdict to stop her from being buried at the Mandela plot. As a result, police were called to make sure that she was not buried next to her family. Zoleka's mother, Zinziswa Mandela, and her two children are also buried on the plot. Her 13-year-old daughter was killed in a car accident in 2010, and she later lost a son who was born prematurely. A source told the Sunday World that Zoleka's ex-husband Thierry Bashala had purchased another grave for her at the Memorial Park. The source said there was a drama here and they had already dug a grave for her next to her family, but the husband refused them to bury her there. They ended up burying her where the husband had planned, and the family ended up being divided. There was also a list that was published on social media on Friday, allegedly mentioned the people that Zoleka did not want at her funeral, and Bashala was one of them. The names in the diary entry included Leroy Andilekana, the father of her last-born Zince, some people from Mandela and Madikizela family, Zenani Mandela Senior, Mandla Mandela, Zukiswa Madikizela, Tsundu Madikizela, and Zoleka Dalingebo. Zoleka died on Monday after a long battle with metastatic cancer that had spread to her hip, liver, lung, pelvis, brain, and spinal cord. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.